Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Right, for today's video, I'm going to be unpacking the many ways that I try and boost my hormones naturally. There's so much to talk about. Right, we're going to unpack it.
Taking me high, so high.
First of all, I want to put a disclaimer there, okay? This is not medical advice. This is my experience, what I have done. I just want to share it with you guys. So, you know, don't come at me in the comments, okay? Okay, so the first supplement I used to help the hair in support of what I was already doing with my routine was that really beautiful, rich, Restore Me Ayurveda mask. I'll leave the details up here and down in the description bar. This mask changed it for me. If you've seen my previous videos, you will know that I'm going on and on about this mask. It was been the beginning of fortifying my hair and stopping the hair from falling. Trust me, this mask works. Otherwise, I wouldn't be selling it on my website, would I? So the supplement I used to support this was from a brand called Dirty, and it's based around the tremella mushroom. Sounds like poison, doesn't it? But it really isn't. So this tremella mushroom is really a hidden gem for menopause. So this is not sponsored. This is my true review of this particular brand. So if you didn't know, the tremella mushroom is actually called the beauty mushroom. And it's called the beauty mushroom for a reason, because it really supports your hair, skin, and nails, which we all know that during menopause or perimenopause, as our estrogen depletes, these are the areas that get washed along the wayside. The tremella mushroom is rich in antioxidants and hydrates your skin from within. And we really need this because, as you know, during menopause or perimenopause, your skin can get excessively dry. So it combats the dryness that can come with hormone changes. It also supports immune health, which can boost energy levels, helping you feel vibrant. Hey, my goodness, this is what I'm feeling right now. So you get 60 gels, which is enough for 1 month. You take 2 per day and they taste wonderful and they're all natural. Sis, let me just tell you, my hair is getting a lot stronger. The hair follicles are being fed, and that is the main thing. That's what we want, right? Honestly, all of these things are making such a difference. I'm in such a better, happy space with my hair now. Might I just add that when we're supplementing, supplements aren't just meant to be taken. We only use supplements when we're not getting it from the foods that we have or something that we are deficient in. So think about it, okay? When you're taking supplements, you've got to find out what you actually need. Don't just take biotin because you want your hair to grow. Find out what it is you actually need. Maybe you're deficient in vitamin D or deficient in iron, and that probably is what you need, rather than giving yourself biotin because, sis, taking biotin on its own in the hope that it would just grow your hair, it's proven that it could also block other very crucial nutrients that you may need. I also did a bit of experimenting, you know, with different herbs as well, because I thought I'm going to just make teas. So I did a lot of experimenting and finding out what I actually need. What are the things that I'm looking for that I need to supplement? What do I need? How can I boost my hormones? These herbs, Ashwagandha, black cohosh, and Motherwolt, were exactly what I needed to supplement. So let me school you on these things. Okay, so let's just talk about Motherwolt. If you have no idea what it is, Motherwolt is a powerful herb and it's known for its calming effects. Just calming me down. Now, Motherwolt's beautiful supplication helps ease anxiety, hot flushes, and nervousness. Now, whilst I've not been feeling anxious or nervousness, because, my dear, I just pick up the Bible and get rid of those things. The peace of God always helps me in that area. But I can tell you, Motherwolt has been phenomenal for reducing my hot flashes and night sweats. It's really working. And the other thing, you must know that it has been statistically known that Motherwolt will help with vaginal dryness. Not that I have a problem there, but that's good to know, isn't it? Ooh, Ashwagandha. Let's talk about Ashwagandha because this is an adaptogenic herb. It's like a stress-busting superhero, eh? If you've never taken Ashwagandha before, it has the ability to take you from the cortisol levels straight down to that chill mode, like literally, which also helps the nervous system. Ashwagandha is my friend, and studies suggest that it's also great at supporting hormone balance because of its calming effects. You see why it's my friend, eh? I tell you, a daily dose of that is necessary. Okay, let's talk about black cohosh, because if you've not taken black cohosh before, sis, I've got to put you on, okay? Because studies have been showing that black cohosh is actually the go-to for menopause relief. I didn't know. One of the most important things I have to say about black cohosh is that it supports the ease of irritability. Now, whether you have it as a supplement, a tincture, or tablets, it's packed with phytoestrogens that can significantly reduce hot flushes, night sweats, and mood swings. Hey, bring the black cohosh now. And I have found taking black cohosh has definitely eased irritability. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, sis, let me be real, because one of the things I noticed that these mixing this tea was not going to happen because I'm a busy woman. Who's got time to put it in a cafetiere, get it at the right temperature, press it down, and you know, who has got time for that? And press it, drink it, and then go. Sis, I didn't have the time. So I had to find something that would really work for me. So I thought I would try these tinctures because I just assumed that it's the same thing, right? And I'll get the same effect. I was so wrong. Whilst these tinctures are very, very effective because they go directly into your bloodstream, they are also making me feel very tipsy because they are alcohol based. So if you're like me who doesn't drink often, I'm telling you, sis, it's going to be a nightmare for you. Now, it's all right if you're used to a few glass here or there, your body will be used to it, but it wasn't like that for me. Don't worry, I found something else. I didn't give up. I found patches that suit my lifestyle. Let me tell you about it, okay? This brand called Kime Patches, unsponsored, were a game changer for me. These patches are amazing for menopause support. So Kime Patches are a UK-based wellbeing brand, and they offer transdermal patches. Think of them like as high-tech stickers or stickers with natural medicine on them. You place them on your skin to deliver nutrients, plant-based ingredients, or beauty boosters directly into the bloodstream. And these patches have at least 8 hours of slowly releasing the ingredients directly into your bloodstream. Maybe 15-20 minutes kicks in, and then I can feel the benefits of it. Unlike the pills or teas, these patches bypass the digestive system, which break down ingredients, allowing for better absorption for all day long support. They're made with organic, cruelty-free, biodegradable materials and free from parabens or synthetic additives, making them a natural and eco-friendly option. So let me just talk to you about the ones that I feel that have done it for me now. Like, this is my staple, and they kind of tick every single box that I need ticking. Okay, NAD Plus, which is the MNM. The NAD Plus patches are formulated with nicotinamide and NMN. These patches aim to combat aging and boosting energy, supporting DNA repair, and promoting that firmer skin. You know, that skin that's now got no elasticity. These patches, sister, you got to get them in your life, okay? The menopause patches are designed specifically for navigating hormone changes. You see, packed with black cohosh and dong kui, not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. They help reduce hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and also they fight brain fog. You know, it's got the karate in there, the menopause sticker. You know, just karate chopping it, okay? Love patches, hey, the love patches, hey? The libido, where it's dropped, where there's nothing, you're not feeling the urge. These patches will get you on there. With maca, damiana, and red ginseng, they boost libido. The stress down patches, these ones are necessary. These are perfect for those moody days and sleepless nights, helping you stay centered and to rest better. Menopause can feel overwhelming, but by taking these stress down patches, these stress down patches have got your back. I'm telling you, sis, because they're infused with ashwagandha again and magnesium, and we all know that magnesium is really good at taking it down. They soothe anxiety, ease irritability, and promote the calm. Now, the energy patches I don't always take because it's kind of like a big fight, you know, with the ashwagandha that's taking everything down, and then the energy patches that's, you know, making me go crazy. Those energy patches are a lifeline for those menopause related fatigue moments, but I will take them when I know I'm probably a little bit tired and I need a little boost. Another thing I do to naturally boost my hormones is to go for walks daily. So I go on a walk every single day, and sometimes it's twice a day, depending on the workload and my lifestyle. Recently, I've also been adding ankle weights, which give me a great workout to build up muscle mass. After the walk, I feel amazing. I feel phenomenal. Automatically drops any cortisol levels. It just does the trick, and it balances my hormones really well. Just a lovely walk. Just a lovely walk, you know? It's us women, what we have to go through, I don't know. So, okay, so if you got to the end of this video, well done. I hope it was helpful, and I hope that you found some inspiration, or maybe it sparked some kind of interest for you to go and see a healthcare professional, to go and see if the HRT is for you or not. Maybe you've decided that you want to go at the natural route. It's up to you, sis, okay? Anyway, guys, I'm going now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really love all your comments. I so appreciate all your support. I'll see you again in my next video. Take care. And remember, Jesus died for you and for me. God bless you. Bye.